Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video is going to be very quick and fast. I'm going to show you how you can export your logo files for delivery. So basically there's a plugin in Illustrator, that's a free plugin in Illustrator that allows you to export your files in various formats and like just with a click of a button. So I'm going to show you how you can do that quickly. So follow me. The first thing you need to do is to ensure that you have a Creative Cloud account. So after that you can go to Creative Cloud. I'm just going to open that here. So first thing you need to do is to open your Creative Cloud. Now search for Logo Packer. That is the name, Logo Packer. So after you've done that, it's going to be like the first thing you're going to find, which is called the Logo Packer. So it's an extension for Adobe Illustrator that allows you to export your stuff. So just go ahead, click on it and have it installed. So ensure that you close your every other Adobe product that you have, softwares that you have open, including Illustrator itself. So after you've installed it, the next thing you need to do is to go over to your Illustrator and open your Illustrator software. So I'm going to be using one of the logos I created as an example. So it's going to be very quick and fast. I promise it's going to be very quick and fast. So let me just go ahead and open that. So this is the file I created. So one thing I did with this file was that I already created several artboard, and all the logo types that I created, I moved them into different artboards. So I have like my secondary logo colors, I have the, my secondary logo, I have my logo icon, and I have another secondary logo and the primary ones, obviously. So what I'm just going to do is, most of the times you can just go ahead and pick out the ones that you want to do, but let me just show you how it works. So essentially, after you've done that, go over to Windows, scroll down to where you have workspace, and go over to Windows, scroll over to where you have extension, and select the one that it is, so which is Logo Packer. You can see it has loaded up here already. So I'm just going to do an example by exporting my primary logo. So I'm going to select it. After I have grouped that, I'll select, I'm going to give it the name. So let's name it the name of the brand, Lux. Then we can say primary logo 1, since that is my primary logo 1. So it's going to ask me for the type. I'm just going to put logo because obviously I want to export everything here. Then I'm going to select the kind of media, which is digital. I want them to use for digital. So you do the digital first, then you can always come back to do that of the print. So I want to do the digital for the sake of this lesson. So I'm going to pick my full color. I'm going to pick my grayscale, and I don't need inverted because they are all in black. So, and the separator is going to be dash for me. Then export parts, I'm going to choose my export parts, which is going to be this one. Yes, so that set the destination already. I'm going to select the format of the files that I wanted to export in. So I'm going to select everything. I want AI, that's Adobe Illustrator itself. I want PDF, I want SVG, I want EPS, I want JPEG, and I want PNG. So after I've done that, I'm just going to go ahead and drag this and drop here. So it's going to automatically do all of that for me. If you zoom out, you'd see that it has done that for me. It has inverted that. So I have my full color here. I have my grayscale. If you zoom in, you see it's grayscale. You already named them for me. I have my black and I have my white, but it happened this way because it is not a full color logo, right? So but you can always do it for all kind of logos. So the next thing I need to do is to export the files. Is to just go ahead and export it. It is that fast and simple. It is that fast and simple. So after it is done exporting, I can go over to my file and bring them out. So I'm going to do that for you so that you can find it. So this is the file. You can see, so I already exported one before, and this is one I just exported, which is this one. You're going to see it here. Let me sort them according to name so you can see everything here. So you can see it now. This is everything. Like, I'm not supposed to put it this way. So because I already have one exported before, but based on the file I chose, you can see I have the AI file here, I have the EPS file, I have the JPEG file, I have the SVG file, and I have the PNG. I've not seen that. Let me get that. Yeah, I have the PNG and the PDF as well. So it is that fast and simple for you to export your logos. So in other cases, what you can do is Still the same process, just go over it and you can just select. You can do it, so you don't necessarily need to do it for everything like this. If you want to pick out like some part of it, let's say like the word mark for instance, just ungroup and select the word mark itself and just follow the entire process all over again. So let me know what you think about this plugin. I'm going to leave a link in the description so that you can find the plugin as well. And if you're interested in purchasing my logo design course, that is, you want to learn how to professionally create logo, I have a course and I'm currently giving out a huge percentage, which is about 50% off if you're going to use the code Friday 50% when you're trying to check out when purchasing. So peace out, enjoy, just enjoy yourself.